iOS 14 code leak confirms Touch ID on iPhone 9 SE2. In the leaked iOS 14 code, iPhone 9 SE2, details were found. The early build code for iOS 14 confirms that the iPhone 9 will indeed get a Touch ID instead of a Face ID. Also, the new budget iPhone can be equipped with Express Transport mode with payment via Apple Pay on iPhone and Apple Watch, without having to unlock the device. The iPhone 9 SE2 is due out in late March with the upcoming iOS 13.4 software update, but due to a coronavirus epidemic, Apple's March conference may not take place, and the release of iPhone SE2 will be postponed until the fall. The company will also announce iOS 14, macOC 10.16, watchOS 7 and tvOS 14 at the Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC 2020, this summer. Moreover, it is increasingly likely that the meeting in San Jose will be transferred offline or not take place at all. For example, Google has already moved its I/O conference to May and changed the format of the meeting to online. Don't miss Apple news. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.